to my unicorn corner. I call it my unicorner for short. Did you know that I have my very own pet unicorn? Ta-da! Here she is! Just kidding. It's my dog, Spotty. Hey, I have a bright idea. It's time for Silly Pet Trick! For our first trick, the amazing Spotty will sit. Spotty, sit. She's usually pretty good at this. Let's try something else. Spotty, roll over. Jump. I don't get it. She was doing these tricks a few minutes ago, right before I put the unicorn costume on her. I'm sorry, Spotty. Let's take it off you and see what happens. There you go. It must feel good to get that off. Now can you show everyone how you sit? That's great! Now, stand. Very impressive, Spotty. Stay. What are you doing, Spotty? Stay. Stay! Spotty! I guess I'm just gonna have to roll with this. Shake! Yes! Bark! Amazing, right? Dig a hole! There you have it, folks! The amazing Spotty! Thanks for showing us how talented you are, Spotty. And for all of you at home that have talents that you want to share with the world, don't forget to be bold, be you, be unicorn! Bye, everyone!